In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood after-hours trading. Let's dive into the world of extended hours trading, where you can buy and sell stocks even after the regular market closes. This feature is incredibly useful for those who want to react to news or events that occur outside of normal trading hours. First, let's get familiar with the market hours. Regular trading on Robinhood takes place from 9:30 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon Eastern Time. After-hours trading extends this window from 4 in the afternoon to 8 in the evening Eastern Time. For those who are eager to start early, there's also pre-market trading available from 7 in the morning to 9:30 in the morning Eastern Time. Some users might even have the privilege of overnight trading from 8 in the evening to 7 in the morning Eastern Time, though this is limited to selected stocks. These extended hours offer a great opportunity to adjust your investments based on late-breaking news. Now, let's walk through how to trade during these after hours. Begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Once you have the app open, log into your account. This ensures that all your trading activities are secure and personalized. Next up, you'll want to pick a stock to trade. Use the search function to find the stock you're interested in, such as AAPL or TSLA. Tap to open the stock's detail page. This is where you'll find all the information you need about the stock, including its current performance and historical data. Once you're on the stock's detail page, tap Trade. Here you'll have the option to choose either buy or sell, depending on your intentions. This is an exciting step because it allows you to act on your trading strategy. Now, it's crucial to select your order type. After-hours trading requires you to use a limit order. This is very important because market orders do not work after hours. A limit order lets you specify the price at which you are willing to buy or sell, ensuring you have more control over the transaction. With that decided, look for the extended hours toggle on the order screen. If it's available, make sure to turn it on. This toggle is essential as it enables your order to be executed outside of regular market hours. Next, set your price and quantity. Enter the number of shares you wish to trade and set your limit price. This price represents what you're willing to pay or the price at which you're willing to sell. It's crucial to set a realistic limit price to increase the likelihood of your order being executed. After setting your price and quantity, it's time to review and submit your order. Swipe up to place the order. Remember, your trade will only execute if the price conditions you set are met. It's important to keep in mind that after-hours trading operates differently from normal trading. You may encounter lower liquidity, meaning fewer buyers and sellers are active. This can lead to wider price swings, so be prepared for potential volatility. Additionally, orders may not fill immediately or at all. Stop orders generally do not work after hours and will queue for the market open. For instance, if AAPL closes at $190 and you place a limit buy at $188, your order will only execute if someone sells at $188 or lower during after hours. By understanding these steps and considerations, you can effectively use Robinhood's after-hours trading to your advantage. Happy trading, and remember, always stay informed and invest wisely.